R.I.P. Alex on my camera. Alex on my camera. I gotta fix this video camera. Alright, we're going to the Tractor Supply Company in Minden, Nevada. And we're gonna film our first prank with the Pooter. Brought to you by Jack Vale and Cameron Argon. Listen, pretty good at it so far. I need like a little microphone. Yeah, me too.
Get some great close-ups.
Wow.
I got the horses in the back. They in the front, but
You missed it. That's because they farted.
how do I do it?
It's already filming. Just point it out. Get up. That's a clown.
Get up, this guy's a clown. Quit scaring people with your farts.
It's pretty good.
You should bend down looking for it. Bend down looking.
That's good. I need like a little microphone.
Where? My food. Get the food.
It's over here.
It's not the time to be fucking around with tractors.
The guy's a clown.
He said, get up, this guy's a clown. You're official.
You're walking out.
I don't know. I didn't go to film school. I don't know how to creep up on people.
Can't wait to get the cashier. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it for me. No, I don't want a rewards program, please.
This guy is a clown. Gross.
Yeah, it sounds like. Wait.
Why are you getting a dog?
You think she'd like that?
For her health?
Or
She doesn't look like that.
Looks nothing like Rosa.
Or should I get this one that's closer to Rosa?
Yeah.
That's chicken. This is lamb.
Think it is a lamb. It's a sad. Don't you stay here for a little while? This is you playing pranks.
Just like, look. I'm gonna get better at it. You just watch. I'm gonna be a star.
Eating wet food?
Just this little thing.
That's it? You're not getting your dress on?
No, I'm getting this too. Get a can? You should get one of these for her?
Yeah, get her the big girl ones.
Untamed.
Kangaroo lentil formula?
Wow.
Damn,
I think she needs to have.
exotic.
Or should we do beef and venison?
That's
I don't know.
also exotic.
With sensitive stomach? Ooh, Rosa.
Yeah,
Rosa needs this one.
for sure.
Yeah. Give her the 2%.
2%
Low
milk.
fat.
Yeah. Rosa, you need this thing. Helps the body metabolize
Alright,
butt
Jared, you
fat.
want to be back on camera control?
Jared,
Yeah, I got you. You on candy camera.
those guys. What if they start beating me up?
I would jump in.
I'd be like this.
I can't film you not laugh. I ruined it.
I think it makes it funnier. I need a little camera so you can hear me laugh too. Like a little microphone. Wait. Want me to film me walk by there?
Can you zoom in?
Yeah, this is the zoom.
Oh. Oh.
Don't zoom in on my mouse.
Now I want to.
I start cracking up and then you start cracking up like that.
I'm telling you, I'm not meant to do this.
No, I think we are. Jared's embarrassed. He's embarrassed. I'm gonna go fart on him.
Oh, this just shows you.
It's getting pretty good.
You should act like you're taking a shit in one of these like corners.
Ready? Jared has our food.
I know.
It's definitely getting better.
How do you speak chicken? Why? Why are chickens different?
You gotta give me the cashier. Hold on.
Chickens purr?
Do they really?
Yeah, supposedly it means they're happy.
I can
Soft
see that.
sounds mean casual conversation. Excited repetitive chirps mean look what I found.
Doesn't sound like anything you can't learn
This is
online.
you earlier today.
What does that mean?
The wall.
God, you're gonna break that box.
Ooh, I want to touch.
Ew. Ew. Alright.
Alright, let's get out of here. We're
I
gonna
can't
feed
remember.
Rosa.
Yeah, we're gonna feed Rosa. We're gonna feed Rosa.
Oh wait, I might have to buy one of these. There's a Maine Coon cat. Yep, I'm getting him.
A middle name? Well, what was your middle name?
Pancho Arturo Guzman. So for 2 years, that was my name. And get this. This was even weirder.
Damn.
Because
I
I
got
like
it.
my music. And yeah, if you come up here, I will force you to listen to my music. And hell, who knows, we might go out in the middle of the night with flashlights and see what the hell we can shoot. Not the cows,
Let's shoot anything.
but there's wild hogs.
Alright, shoot those.
No way.
They're bad.
What?
The hogs, they're bad.
Yeah, the hogs are bad, so we like to shoot.
No way.
Yeah, they like ruin everything. And they're not good to it's not good to eat them because they're
They
nasty.
fucking tear up everything.
Wild hogs. Yeah, I bet you that tastes disgusting.
Plus, no, hell no.
Really?
No way.